That's a place you don't want to miss. I'm gonna keep this short tomorrow. I have events coming tomorrow. To keep it short today, event tomorrow. If you're in Calgary, you want to come and see this live. How do you sell on social? Give value, allow prospect to discover your business. No pitching. They build trust. Collect their info and deliver on small promises. Make a promise, keep your promise. It's that simple. Offer and deliver. What are you presenting? Are you delivering what you promised? Those are the key things to keep in mind selling on social. Present your solution and make sales. Then enable customers to share. It's viral. Being able to share, you do that mostly on Facebook, social media, giving them option to share your offer, your product, and it's huge. It's viral. One person, I mean, we're wired.